guys, it's Riri Peaches, and today we're back with another video. Today we'll be making DIY Spotify plaques or music plaques, and these can be for gifts or for yourself, whatever you want to do with them. So first you're going to need frame replacements, or like a piece of glass that you could use, like some sort of glass or plastic. I used plastic frame replacements, but you can use like frames or whatever you want to use. That's around that size, or whatever size you want. You could make it smaller or bigger. You also need a sharpie. I'm just using a regular sharpie and like a sharpie pen for smaller details. You're gonna need some clear Scotch tape. If you can get like the clearer one, try and get that one, but if it's just the regular one, that works too. Also, you need some scissors. So you need to print out the screenshot of the like Spotify screenshot that you're gonna use to trace. So I just took a screenshot and made it bigger in Procreate and added like the Spotify code. I'll show you how you get the Spotify code, but it's very easy if you have Spotify. So then you just use like the code and then you attach it. Like you can either just print them out separately or put them together, which is what I did. Then you're gonna need it for whatever songs you want to do. So first you take your frame replacement. Mine are blue right now because like the protective layer, so you just peel that off if yours has one, and then we can start. So first you want to take your like screenshot printout and tape it on, or you can just hold it there, but I think it's easier if you tape it to the like frame to keep it in place while you draw on it. Also, you can use like other markers, like if you want like a white one or like a different colored one, but I'm just using a Sharpie. So basically you just trace everything on the screenshot, like the song title, the singer, the times, and like the little line thing showing where you are in the song, the play button, everything you just trace. So I'm trying to use like a paper towel to wipe it off. It didn't really work, but it kind of worked. Also, just to clean up the frame a bit if there's any fingerprints and stuff throughout the video, I just did that a few times. So now just continue tracing. For smaller details you can use the Sharpie pen, but if it's like something big you can just use a regular Sharpie. So just continue tracing. For the line thing, I kind of drew the outline for it and then filled in the part that was like played already. You can do this at whatever time you want in the song, but I want to do it like at specific parts of the song. So I think for Golden it was like the first time Harry Styles says Golden. It was just like whatever time I liked in the song. It doesn't actually affect anything, it's just for the design. It's kind of hard if you make mistakes. Like sometimes you can wipe it off if you do it quickly, but like it doesn't always work. I found that with the Sharpie pen I could wipe it off. With the big Sharpie it was pretty much permanent. So for the Spotify code, you basically just do the same thing. You just trace like each of the lines on the Spotify code, and if you do it like around what it actually looks like if you trace it well, then if you go into the Spotify app, you can actually scan it and it will probably work. I'm saying probably because like it might not work, I guess, but it like for all 4 of the ones I made, it worked perfectly. So yeah, it's just like I found that you don't have to be like completely exact. Like you do have to get each of the lines and everything, but I did like make some mistakes and it still worked. So here I'm just cutting out like the album cover, which I'm gonna paste in the background. You could use like a photo or whatever you want, like a different photo, but yeah. So basically I just took off the like backing of the protective layer of the frame replacement and just like fixed everything up because you can see it a bit clearer. And just like make sure to wipe it before you put on the picture. So I just used tape and put a bit of clear tape on like the edges and try and stick it on like around where it would be in the screenshot. If you want, you could like put a picture of yourself in there or like just whatever picture you like you could do the album cover with something else or whatever you wanted to. Make sure to wipe any like fingerprints or anything off, and you should be good to go. So that's the finished golden music plaque. So I made another one for the song Wonder by Shawn Mendes. I made a few of them actually for my friends and then to give as Christmas gifts. So I basically just did the same thing. It just worked a little better for the second one because I knew what I was doing more. So it can be a bit hard, but like it just mostly takes time. Just make sure to like go slowly and just try and trace everything as best as you can, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So I did actually try to use like a whiteboard marker or something like that, like a glass marker, and like write on it and then like wipe it away because I thought that might work, but it didn't really work, but it kind of helped a bit. So you could try doing that if you made like a mistake that you want to take off. have it. This is the completed Spotify plaque for Wonder, and here's both of them. And here are the other two I made. I don't have the best pictures of them, but they're here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.